Hi, and welcome to Fuller's Knowledge Doubling Quiz by Isabel Milan. Fuller expressed that the collective learning of man is additive. Is the answer A, true, or B, false? The answer is A, true. Fuller believed that in order for humanity to succeed, it needed to move past the view that growing populations and scarce resources create a blank problem. Is the answer A, solvable, B, interesting, C, intractable, or D, undeniable? The answer is C, intractable. Whose central argument did Fuller not agree with? Was it A, Malthus, B, More, C, Thiele, or D, Kurzweil? The answer is A, Malthus. What structure is Fuller most well known for? Was it for A, the triangular dome, B, the geodesic dome, C, the hemispherical dome, or D, the polyhedral dome? The answer is B, the geodesic dome. What were Dymaxion deployment units used for? Was it A, to house poor families, B, to shelter radar crews in remote locations with harsh weather in World War II, C, to hold bombs and other military equipment, D, to help underdeveloped communities? The answer is B, to shelter radar crews in remote locations with harsh weather in World War II. What is the phrase used by Fuller to express the integral nature of Earth's living system? Was it A, living Earth, B, social Earth, C, eco-Earth, or D, spaceship Earth? The answer is D, spaceship Earth.